Hi, everybody. Hi, Damon. Hi, Alex. Hi, Lady. Hi, Cameron. Hi, Enzo, Paisley, Haley. Today, we are going to make a bird's nest. Miss Dina has been reading a great book talking about birds and nests. And today, we're going to make a bird's nest too. So I have a plate, Mom and Dad. I have some glue, brown construction paper. You can use a bag. I have some eggs as well. And I have, and you know what, lady, I have a shaky egg just for you. And I have some fun spaghetti. And I have it in big sticks because we're gonna break it apart for some sticks. So let's get started. I think the first thing we need to do is to make our nest. And we need to put some nesting material in here. So I have some brown paper that we're gonna rip up. And let's rip it into 10 pieces. So here we go. 1, 2, I can hear it ripping apart. Use your fingers. 3, that's a big piece. 4, hold on to it, Cam. Oh, 5, keep on ripping. 6 pieces, keep on going. 7, a couple more. 8, hold on with both hands, Alex. 9, and we need one more piece. Let's do it, Enzo. Rip it quick. 10 pieces. Now, we need to unscrew. Damon, you've got this. Unscrew it. And we're gonna use our muscles. Haley, let's squeeze. Squeezing on our glue. We're squeezing on our glue. Squeeze, squeezing on our glue. Let's do round in a circle. Round in a circle. Putting our glue in a circle. Round in a circle we go. All right, next we need to push our bird's nest on. And I'm pushing with my fingers. I'm pushing our 10 pieces of bird's nest construction paper on to our plate. So I'm getting them all on. Ooh, it's looking good. It's looking good. So, Haley, let's do it together. Our fingers. Push. Push that paper on. Push that nest on. Oh, check it out. Oh, it's looking good. But you know what else I think we need to do? I think we need to put some sticks in our nest to make our nest. So let's break up our sticks. Let's listen. Oh, I like it. Let's try that again. Lady, listen. Oh. Alex, listen. Oh, I'm breaking our sticks in little pieces. I think we need some more glue. Damon, unscrew it. Haley, squeeze it out. Cam, keep watching. We're gonna squeeze. Squeeze that glue on. Squeeze that glue on. Perfect. We're gonna close up our top. And we're gonna pick up our sticks and let's sprinkle them on. Let's listen. Oh, lift your arms up high. Enzo, I know you like to raise your hands. Lift them up high and sprinkle our sticks on. Sprinkle our sticks on. We got a few more. The birds like to bring those sticks in. Oh, yeah. And let's give it, oh, that feels different. Lady, that feels different. It feels different. And I can hear some of those sticks breaking a little bit when I push. Oh, it kind of feels good. So we have our bird's nest. We have our sticks inside. Now, I think we might need to put some eggs into our bird's nest. So I have a purple egg. I'm gonna get some glue. I'm gonna squeeze our glue. Alex, use your muscles, squeeze. Oh yeah, it's a nice one. I'm gonna push our purple egg, onto our nest. Let's see. I have something's in this egg. It's a shaky egg. Shake. Shake our egg. Shake our egg. Let's put this one in. So we need to hold on to it tight. Cam, squeeze it out. Use righty, squeeze it. And we're gonna put our shaky egg in our nest. Yeah, it's looking good. I'll move my nest. And you know what I have? I have another egg, but let's pull this one. Pull it real hard. Use your muscles. Pull it. Pull this one apart. We're gonna pull that one. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3. Pull our egg apart into 2 pieces. Yeah, let's use our muscles. Squeeze it on. Haley, I need you to squeeze that glue on. And we're gonna put 1/2 of our egg here. And we're gonna squeeze it on. And we're gonna put another 1/2 of our egg here. Check it out. Let's push. Push our eggs on. Push our eggs on. Check it out. We are making a nice nest. Enzo, what do you think? I like it. Haley, did you use your muscles and push them on? Paisley, I know that you're watching. You did a nice job too. And Mom and Dad, I put a little bit of string on the corners here, and you can hang up your bird's nest in your house or outside and be ready for springtime. Check it out. That is a colorful nest. All right, guys, you all did such a great job. And I want to say, moms and dads, you have been working so hard. I'm very proud of you guys for all of the work. You're a therapist, you're a teacher, you're a paraeducator, you're a nurse. You've been working very hard, and I appreciate you letting me into your house and working with your little one. So that's been a long time coming. I should have said that in my first video, but I appreciate everything that you're doing, and thank you for helping me do my job as well. So have a great weekend, and I hope that you have fun making your, I can hear it, making your nest, boys and girls, and I will see you all next week.